Hey everyone, if some pages in your PDF are upside down or facing the wrong direction, PDFsam Basic makes it easy to fix them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to rotate PDF pages using PDFsam Basic step by step. First, open PDFsam Basic on your computer. When the main dashboard appears, click the *rotate * tool to get started. Next, click the *browse * or add ** button and select the PDF file you want to edit. You can also drag and drop the file directly into the application. Now, choose which pages you want to rotate. Yeah, you can rotate all pages or specify individual page numbers, depending on what needs to be corrected. After that, select the rotation angle. You can usually choose to rotate pages by 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, or 180 degrees. Next, choose the destination folder, where the updated PDF will be saved. Keeping the output in an easy-to-find location makes it simple to access later. Once everything looks correct, click the ** run * button. PDFsam Basic will process the file and create a new PDF with the rotated pages. Finally, open the new PDF and review each page to make sure the orientation is correct and everything appears as expected. And that's it. Now you know how to rotate PDF pages using PDFsam Basic. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.